Hello traders, my name is Mauricio. Welcome to my channel, The Trade Prophet. In this video, I will review the trades I am currently watching, my thesis and strategy for each one. As a reminder, I am not your financial advisor and nothing in my videos is a recommendation to invest or trade. As I share my personal trading insight, my hopes are you learn both from my success as well as my mistakes. I am a discretionary trader with a scenario-based plan for every trade I take. If you appreciate the content and account transparency and would like to follow my progress as I attempt to grow this account, please consider subscribing and selecting the bell icon to be notified when I upload a video. Subscribing is free and helps support this channel. If you appreciate the direction the channel is going, please comment below. You may be wondering how my account is up already since my last upload. The reality is, it's been a volatile month for me. It took some hedging and difficult realized losses to manage risk to keep my account positive and realize profit. I track my realized gains on an Excel spreadsheet. You can see how I have recovered from a huge loss at the start of the month and am back in the green. These large fluctuations are not part of my usual methodology, and I attribute this to some bad FOMO or impulsive trading. I track my trades to be able to review my performance with current data and put my process in check if needed. In the past, I have also found journaling my trades is also helpful. Currently, most of my trades are in the red. Again, this was due to jumping in early and not waiting for confirmation before entering the trade. My thesis and plan for each trade is still intact. Here are the trades and setups I like the most. The first ticker I will be covering is HLBZ. HLBZ offers e-scooters, e-mopeds, and e-bikes for 35 cities around the world. This ticker has a history of running up, and we can see here on finviz.com, it has a float of only 2.96 million, making it possible to move quickly as volume comes in. You can also see it has a short float of 12.3%, giving it the ability to squeeze on good news as shorts cover their positions. On the technicals, you can see it's making higher lows and establishing an ascending long-term support. I will be looking on Monday morning, possibly pre-market, for a run-up to exit my position. I accidentally set a market order during the circuit halt breaker on Friday and had a bad fill. The stock has a gap to fill here and may run up eventually to that zone. The next play is DATS. DATS, or DATS Inc., is a communication software company who focuses on a secure messaging app through blockchain technology. Its stock has recently put in some range. It has a share float of 12.25 million. It can also spike as buying volume comes in. These are the support levels I will be watching. As stocks make higher lows, their trending support tend to rise as well. I plan to scale in near the current price and sell my position as it squeezes into resistance. Its recent news catalyst of reporting it will run a multi-channel marketing campaign across Barstool Sports brand and select franchises may help bring in buying pressure. My last ticker is MVIS. MVIS has had big momentum runs in the past. Microvision Inc. focuses on the development of LiDAR sensors for autonomous driving applications. It currently also has a partnership with Microsoft on augmented reality glasses for military purposes. There is a US Army $21.9 billion contract for the HoloLens technology. Recently, the project was delayed by the US military. More importantly, the US Army has expressed its commitment to continue developing the technology with plans to have the first unit fully equipped by September of 2022. About a year ago, I remember reading an informative article about Microvision's LiDAR sensors and how they compared to current leading sensors. I've included a link in the description if you would like to read further. What caught my attention was this statement. Microvision automotive LiDAR systems offer 7 times the resolution at a fraction of the price of the latest Velodyne systems. The article went on to give Microvision a secured valuation of $13 per share based on the $2 billion valuation. After going through Microvision's 10Q SEC filing, I can see its burn rate for operational costs. I can also see here it is using issuance of its common stocks as proceeds, most likely to cover its operating costs. By looking further down, you can see the different dates it has issued its common stock. As you can infer, it is more beneficial for the company to issue its common stock at higher price levels. The stock price tends to fall during common stock issuance as its value is diluted as more shares enter the market. We can see on finviz.com the stock currently has an 18.42% short float. The selling pressure will likely continue until there is a news catalyst to drive up the price and cause shorts to cover by buying back their sell orders, hopefully resulting in a short squeeze. In turn, this would create an ideal opportunity for the company to issue more common stock while maintaining a favorable stock price for its investors. I am currently watching MVIS for a clear break and downtrend. I entered here on what I thought was a break and downtrend. I may have to readjust my position. From my experience, these new trend pivots happen at previous resistance zones. The lower this falls, the more upside it will create. That does it for this video. If you found this video helpful, you can support this channel by hitting that like button, subscribing, or picking up some merchandise at the Trade Profit storefront at Teespring through the link in the description. As always, best of luck in your trading. Remember, together we can find the trade, manage the risk, to make the trade profit. Thanks for watching.